Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. As we'd previously reported to you, Judge Stephen J. Hippler has rendered an order which appeared on the court docket today, the 3rd of September 2025, ordering certain documents to be unsealed, some with redactions, others without redactions. One of the documents that I would like to share with you at this time is a court filing that some have been waiting for its unsealing. This is the Guilty Plea Advisory Form. It is 9 pages in total. They appear here. Mr. Kohberger, it appears, has completed this form page by page, asking him various questions regarding his numerous due process and constitutional rights, including his right to remain silent, right to counsel, and going over with him certain questions as he prepared at the time that he completed this form, which states it was completed on June 29th, 2025, days before the change of plea hearing on the 2nd of July, when he changed his plea to the 5 counts that were brought against him to guilty. These were the counts for which he was to have stood trial, commencing approximately mid-August 2025. That trial date was canceled, and everything attendant to it, including voir dire, the process of jury selection, was also canceled by virtue of Mr. Kohberger's entry of the 5 pleas of guilty. Now, I would like to invite you to a follow-up presentation. It's going to be premiering on our YouTube channel, where I will be going through this entire guilty plea advisory form, each and every line, each and every page. We'll have an open forum at that time when new content is premiered. There's a message board. So if there's any questions that come up during that presentation, I'll either address it on the message board or we'll follow up with further content. This, however, as you can see here, is extremely lengthy. It begins with the statement of the constitutional rights going into the next page, and then questions regarding Mr. Kohberger's ability to enter a plea of guilty of his own free will, and that he is competent to plead guilty. The next goes into the plea agreement, potential sentence that he has filled out here, relationship with his attorney, a constitutional privilege of having access to counsel when one's life, liberty, or property is in danger of being taken away by the government. And at the end, that he has signed this document, and his attorneys, 3 of them, it appears the first signature is Ann Taylor, the second is Elisa Massoff, and the third is Becca Barlow. So please stay tuned for our follow-up content and join us for the premiere of our future content, where we will go through this document page by page. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.